As you can see, A plus B equal C. It's simple, isn't it? Oh, you are there already. Really nice. So, my friend, welcome to my science channel.
Beats by Esco.
We will speak two languages, not four, only two. Two languages, Chinese and English. Like this, my friends in China also can learn English and also can follow this experiment. 所以今天是一个特殊的一天，就是这个 channel 就是会说那个中文英文呢，就是那些单词啊，这样的话孩子也可以学习一学。So today what we'll do, we'll make a rocket. 我们今天做的是一个 rocket, okay? So for that, what we will need, 我们需要的是 tape. Tape, it's simple. Tape, okay? We'll need a red marker because we will color it in red. I don't have red paper, so I will use my marker to do it. And scissors, of course, scissors, okay? But the last one, but not least, is the plastic film box. Plastic film box. 塑料薄膜盒啊. So this one is a little bit difficult to find, but the most important in this one is that we have the cap that we need to clip in. If you can find anything, we can clip it. We don't need to twist it. We just need to clip it, so it's fine, okay? So let's go. What we will do now for this one will come from the center, approximately center, 中间的那个 center here, and then we'll cut it. We'll cut like this. Okay. Same for these three ones. Okay. Here you are. Okay. So these three will be these ones, okay? 1, 2, 3. So what we will need to do is need to turn it. Okay, make like a Vietnamese hat. This part actually will be at the same size than diameter. Okay guys, for this experiment what we will use, 我们需要的是苏打 bicarbonate and 2 vinegar. So what I will do, I will use the cup to put the bicarbonate inside. So we'll put a lot of bicarbonate. So you see a lot of bicarbonate. And inside this plastic film box, we'll put the vinegar. So for this experiment, you will need your parents. 你们需要你的爸爸妈妈帮助你的哦。So, sorry, I will stand up because it will be really fast and really explosive. Are you ready for that? I'm not ready. So, ready? That was perfect. Don't forget to subscribe to have more experiments. 别忘了关注我哦。